Hello everybody, this is Sanaz Salihovic and welcome to my channel where only you have the power to build your world. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to get the cheapest insurance if you're an Uber or a Lyft driver, and how you can combine your personal policy with the insurance that Uber and Lyft offer to get the best deal. Then that will be a very big bonus. That's more money in your pocket. So in this video, we're going to show you the cheapest route that you can take to get good coverage and to save you some money. First thing that we're going to talk about is what insurance company you should go with and what's the best insurance company to give you the best quote. Personally, I use the Root Insurance Company. It gives you some of the best prices out there because they base your quote on how good you drive. So we're going to be using the Root Insurance Company, Uber Insurance, and Lyft Insurance, and combine all three to get the best price. But before we get into it, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment box below. Let me know what insurance you got and what kind of setup you're working with. I'll switch over to my computer screen. This way we can look at all the coverages side by side and make the best decision. And also we're going to be looking into Root and see what kind of price we can get. So let's switch over. Alright, now let's talk about the Root Insurance Company. It is an insurance company that pretty much gives you a price based on how you drive. Just like it states right here, get a rate based on primarily on how you drive. Fair insurance, no gimmicks. Save up to 52% on your car insurance. At first, I didn't believe that you could save 52% until I actually got a quote. I did my test drive and literally I saved over 60%. If you followed on my channel previously where I did a full review on my quote and going with Root Insurance, you will see how much money I have saved. But the Root Insurance Company is like awesome. Everything is mobile. You can download the app. I'll have the link in the description box below if you want to check it out. If you use my link, we both get $25 just for doing the test drive. You don't even have to sign up. You don't even have to accept the insurance quote. But if you complete the test drive, you'll get $25. You can cash out to your PayPal. You can get a check in the mail, whichever way you like it. But they do give you $25 just for doing a simple test drive. So how does Root Insurance work? Simply, you download the app, you take a test drive, like literally, like after you download the app, you like scan your driver license, and then it says take a test drive. You press accept, and then you just drive for about a week and a half like you normally do, and then they'll give you a score and a quote based on how you drive. So if you're doing a test drive, do not brake hard. Do not make like real hard turns. Do not go 50 over the speed limit. Like drive normal. Drive like you normally do. If you drive crazy, then you might want to tone it down a little bit. But if you drive normal, you make the right turns, you don't drive like a crazy animal, then Root will give you a real good price. And then the policy, the documents, everything is done on your mobile phone. So it's like super easy, super simple. Literally, it takes 2 minutes to like set up a policy and like start the test drive and everything. Real easy. You never have to go to an agent. You never have to go do a bunch of useless crap that these older companies are doing. If you read the reviews, everything about them is awesome. Check it out, Lyft, right here. So if you live in like Idaho or something, they're not there yet, but there will be coming. Their goal is to be in all 50 states. Here's the map of where they are right now in the orange, and the green is showing where they will be or where they're starting out like right now. So a week from now, a month from now, these states will probably be turning orange. So you'll be able to get Root Insurance. Fair rates, modern products, simple pricing. Like, I don't even have to go any further. Root is just awesome. They offer full coverage, liability coverage. Very easy, guys. Very, very easy. Here's all the stuff you get with every policy. You get a rental, roadside assistance, medical payments, comprehensive collision, primary damage. They offer everything just like every other insurance company, but at a way better price, way better service, way better experience overall. So now that you know what insurance company to use, let's look at Uber and Lyft insurance policy. We're going to take a look at Uber first. This is the bigger one of the two, and I'm guessing more people use Uber. So, no, let's switch over to Lyft because they have the chart. The chart makes everything super easy to explain. This chart can be used for Uber and Lyft. They pretty much have the exact same setup. The only difference is the deductible. This gray part represents your insurance policy. So if you get root insurance, that will represent the gray part. For example, Geico, Nationwide, Farmers, any other insurance company, they'll pretty much represent the gray part. And the pink part, the one in the middle, represents when you're driving, like when your app is on. Let's say you're driving around looking for a person to pick up. This is where Lyft also covers you. It covers up to 50,000 body injury, 100,000 accidents, personal, and 25,000 property damage, which is pretty good. You just get that just for having the the Lyft app on. But when you accept a ride and the person gets in your car, you like accept it on the app, then you're covered a lot better. Yeah, you get up to 1 million personal damage, all that stuff for your vehicle, for the people you injure if they get injured, unfortunately. Pretty much you get $1 million worth of coverage. But it does have a $2,500 deductible, which is a lot higher than Uber's. Guys, Lyft and Uber, they're here to stay. So all these policies will be improving. Everything will get better. So there you go. That's pretty much what Lyft offers. Uber is pretty much the exact same thing. Your personal insurance will be right here in the gray. Then Uber's coverage. And then Uber's coverage once the person gets in your car and you accept the ride. Here you can see everything is pretty much identical, but there's a 1,000 deductible with Uber and 2,500 deductible with Lyft. If you can see from their page, Lyft is way more cleaner, way more organized, way more visually appealing compared to Uber's site. I'll have all the links in the description box below. A link for Root and both of these links for Lyft and Uber. That way you can see their coverage. What's my suggestion to you guys? It is simple. Get a quote from the Root Insurance Company. Do your little test drive. Dude, they're awesome. Like, in my city, they give the best prices. All my friends got Root. My family members, personally, I have Root as well. It is simply amazing. And if you're trying to save money, Root is the way to go. I have not found a cheaper insurance that offers this much coverage and this much benefits with this much simplicity than the Root Insurance Company. Personally, what I do is I get the state minimum coverage from Root, which saves me a ton of money, and then I'll let Uber and Lyft's insurance cover the rest when I'm actually driving for them. Other than that, it is super simple. Root and then use one of these insurances to cover their end of the ride. Very simple. This can save you a lot of money, but there's people out there that want to have like extreme coverage, which is fine. If you want to be overprotected, that's up to you. But this video is the cheapest route with the most decent coverage. And this is the best way to do it. Get Root insurance and then use one of these policies from Lyft or Uber to cover the rest. Very simple. If you're on a budget, this is probably the best way to go. I know this will not please a lot of people, but if you are tight on a budget, if you're just doing Uber and Lyft as like a side gig or like a side hustle, then this is the best way to go. You do not want to spend extra couple $100 on insurance just so you can make extra $100 or $200 on the side. You're pretty much wasting your time, not making any money. But if you're a full-time Uber and Lyft driver and you want to be extremely covered, you can also use Root. You can get the full coverage and you can get a lot of coverage. You can customize your coverage, all that good stuff. All right, there's a simple and easy way to save some money on your Uber and Lyft insurance. If you enjoyed the video, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment box below. Let me know what kind of quote you got with Root Insurance. And if you have any other suggestion, tips on how to save money, I'll also have the links below for Uber and Lyft so you can check out their coverage and see what kind of setup you can make. And as always, see you in the next video. Peace out.